So I'm in Olszewicz here. We're visiting an agency called Hullabaloo, typical advertising agency. And these are the kind of places you might end up when you graduate from AAU. Let's go and have a look. Jirka.
Hello, man.
Nice to see you yet again. Tell me what a new graduate, a new student would do in an agency like this.
If they're hired for their portfolio and for having a good eye. If they do well, they're getting bigger and bigger assignments and get to be part of, big campaigns for big clients that the agency has.
So how quickly, if they do well, would they be maybe working on bigger clients?
It can be very quick. We've had students here before who started completely, as you say, sort of fresh off the boat. Within 6 months, they were part of big campaigns.
And you mentioned the portfolio. What are you looking for in a portfolio?
If they have a good eye, if they can think in concepts, if they can think in bigger picture.
You've kind of dealt with some of my students in the past. How have you found them?
I have always told you, your students come well prepared. Students that come from you have a decent book. We can see if they have a good eye and can design, if they can think conceptually, and they know how this business works.
What advice would you give to prospective students graduating?
If you think it's your thing and you're into it, just don't be lazy. Work on it, put it in your book, create a bit of a portfolio, and then go and try your luck. And there is fresh talent always wanted.
Thanks, Jirka, for giving us a few insights. That was really useful, and I hope you found that useful as well.